Tasty breaded French fries recipe. If you never had tried this special recipe, try it once. You will really enjoy it for sure. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, then add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Mix it well nicely.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After mixing, add 3/4 cup of cold water. Mix it well into right consistency. We also need 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 potatoes cut into long stick shape. First we need to dip the potato cut into long sticks like this into the batter and coat them well. Then we coat them with the breadcrumbs, flip the sides and coat them very well with the breadcrumbs. Now we can fry them. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add the coated sticks and fry them on medium to high flame. Make sure the oil is very hot before dipping them. Fry until it turns to light golden color. Transfer them into a serving plate. Our tasty breaded French fries are ready to be served. If you never had tried this recipe before, try it once. You will really enjoy it.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.